How to add music to Instagram notes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to add the music to Instagram notes, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of notes over here above your profile picture, so just tap on it. As you do that, you can see the music icon at the bottom or below the display picture. So tap on it and it will lead us to the music section. So here you can select any music over here, or you can just tap on search music and search for any music over here. I'm going to search for one of these and then tap on the music. And here you can just select the portion that you would want to add on your notes over here. Then tap on check mark and then tap on just share. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.